Ta-da! Let me welcome you warmly, guys. Today we are unpacking another beautiful package with gadgets and clothing. So, without further ado, let's open it up. First up, I think is the doormat that I've ordered. So let's check it out. Oh, nice. Welcome to the dark side. Excellent. All right. Let's move on. Oh, beautiful. Guys, let me get some scissors. I love some of these watches. They are really, really nice, and this is one of them. Just to be opened up. There we go. Oh, amazing. So I already have this brand. It's Sanda. And looks kind of a military style kind of clock. Very beautiful. Greenish tint to it. Alright. Let me remove the foils. The protective foams are all over the place. And obviously the label. So the make is Sanda fashion watch. And looks really, really cool. Kind of a full out like style. Alright, next up is something mysterious. Let's check it out. Mystery gift. Dofia Xia Oya. Alright. Another watch. Nice. Very cool. Let me just get a bit of light. Very cool looking clock. Very kind of futuristic. I think I'm gonna make another film regarding this one. Let's open the next package. Oh man, another one. Very cool. Watch. Check this out. Kind of graphite like. Very cool bracelet. All right. Oh man, this is something really cool. Horror movie lamp. I think we need to make another film about this one, unpacking this one. So this is Crystal Lake and Jason, as you can see. All right. This I like. This is for my bed. All right. So let me just show it to you guys quickly. The man times. Oh, works pretty well. All right. Next we have a very nice full-out thingy. Vintage Nuka-Cola Vault Boy, as you can see the placard, which is metal. Alright, very cool. The next one is also the Fallout Nuka-Cola alu label. Alright, so this motto is, I think, current: war never changes. So this is a message to the world leaders, guys. Alright, let's look at the next. Beautiful watch. The instructions, and here it is. Oh, nice. This is also electronic. Oh, you can see the dial. Nice. And it's also Sander, so kind of a lot of Sander watches, at least today. Let's quickly if I cut it off. Remove the protective films. All right, perfect. There we go. It lights up. This is another cool alu sign. Wash your hands, okay? So remember about plague. Obviously plague was spread in a slightly different way, but here it is. Very cool sign. Remember to wash your hands for your bathroom. Yeah, this is cool. Back to the Future. Let me just shine it up for you quickly. Oh, beautiful, guys. I hope you like it. You're probably wondering when I'm gonna place those things. Well, I'm planning to build kind of a man cave bike pit. So the biker pit will have all those nice gadgets in there. The next stuff, oh nice. This is quite small, but visible. Alright, if you guys remember the horror movie Friday the 13th. So, I hope you see what it says here. Camp Crystal Lake. Alright. Very cool. Alright, and this is not a drone, as you may think. In fact, it's a car fragrance. Alright, so another film, another test with that. And unboxing. What's in here? Oh, this is quite cool. This is some type of a picture. Let's check it out. Oh, nice. This is Friday the 13th newspaper print, as you guys can see with Jason. So you can put it in a frame, put it on your wall, if you like the movie, obviously. All right. This is a nice gadget. A chain. Okay, take a look, guys. Very cool. Like a cube Nordic chain. So a small tiny gadget. I didn't miss in this package. And last but not least, my fighter pilot jacket. So let's put it on. Alright, let's try it on. This is gonna be cool. Alright guys, hope you like it. It's really rad. Okay. You can add some protectors. This can be a cool summer jacket for your bike. Alright. So, thanks for sticking with me today. Thanks for watching, and obviously I invite you to give it a thumbs up and sub to our channel. And obviously more to come.